Ever wondered what foods might be causing your acne? It's a question that has plagued many. Today, we're going to explore this topic, lifting the lid on foods that might just be causing those pesky breakouts. Stay tuned as we delve into the foods you might want to rethink consuming if you're battling acne. First up on our list, dairy products. Consuming dairy introduces hormones into your body that can stimulate oil production, a common trigger for acne. So, if you're a fan of milk or cheese, it might be worth exploring dairy-free alternatives. Next, we have sugar and high glycemic carbohydrates. These sneaky culprits can spike your blood sugar and insulin levels, causing inflammation and, you guessed it, acne. So if you have a sweet tooth, consider reaching for low glycemic fruits instead. Another culprit? Fast food. Laden with saturated and trans fats, these quick bites can ramp up oil production in your skin. That's a one-way ticket to Acne Avenue. Next time you're craving a burger or fries, think about the potential skin consequences. To sum up, the foods that might be causing your acne include dairy products, high sugar and carbohydrate foods, and fast food. Navigating these potential triggers can be a game changer. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it's essential to observe how your body reacts to different foods. Here's to clear skin,